Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to sign in to your Free Fire Max account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Free Fire Max application from your app drawer. Soon after you come across this interface, tap on the Sign in with Apple or the Sign in with Facebook option. Make sure you have your Apple ID and a Facebook account. Select any one option you are trying to sign in with. I'm gonna choose the Sign in with Apple. Tap on it and then make sure to log in with your Apple ID and the account's password. Once you are done with it, tap on the screen to begin, and there you have successfully logged in to your Free Fire Max account. That is how it's easily done. You can now go ahead and select a game mode and start playing the game. That is how you can easily sign into Free Fire Max account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.